I'm wondering if you could kind of make sense for me or the audience of the replication crisis. I'm assuming you know what
Oh,
that is,
I'm
and
yes.
any opinions you have on why that is.
Well, one idea with that is that it is due to small sample sizes. So that is one. If you want to get just pure math, right? Part of the replication issue would be that you just didn't have a big enough sample size, or it wasn't a decent representative sample. Although I lean more towards a sample size versus it being a representative sample. So for those that don't know, representative sample would be, in principle, when you're, especially when you're doing like human behavior research, medical research too, but human behavior research, in principle, what you want in your representative sample is supposed to represent the population in which you're studying. So if we're studying all men in the United States, if that's what we're looking at, in principle, I should make every effort to, for example, I should make every effort to find at least some people from every demographic possible, right? Obviously, that's a problem. Like, problem in the sense of like it's very difficult to do. It takes a lot of time. I would argue more time than money, but time is money, they say. But yeah, like trying to get a good representative sample is hard. It doesn't mean the data can't be valid, but like if we're studying all men in the United States or all women, doesn't matter. Well, you should probably, just to give an example, like you should probably be getting some people to participate, honestly, from literally every major city in the United States, at least a few. You should be getting people to participate from every rural area in the United States. You need, we're quote unquote race, right? Like we should be getting, we need white, African American, Asian, right? Like that, you should be trying to represent all of that, right? Again, it's a challenge. But I argue, though, that more than that, it's just like, so I think part of the replication crisis is sample size, in my opinion. That's a small part of it. There's faulty design. Those can be issues.